Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about how to learn affiliate marketing the right way. So before I actually dive into things, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos Monday through Friday that will show you how to grow an online business, how to do affiliate marketing, and how to create a passive income from home. So if you enjoy videos like that, definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button, and this way you'll be notified whenever there is a brand new video on this channel. Without further ado, let's talk about how you could actually learn affiliate marketing the right way so that you could actually get the long-term results. So over on my left, I do have some bullet points listed here, just just some things that I'll of course be going over. So I'm actually gonna go through them step by step. So I want to first and foremost start off this video by answering the question, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In case if you aren't exactly familiar with affiliate marketing, in case if you've been living under a rock, affiliate marketing, I'll give a brief description, is really nothing more than you are helping other businesses sell their products. So just about every online retailer that you could think of, big companies like Amazon, for example, they have their own affiliate program, and you could join it and you can get paid a commission for referring a customer to Amazon. Any product that you get someone to buy on Amazon, they will pay you a commission for. Another example of this is a site known as ClickBank, clickbank.com. They have their affiliate program, and ClickBank primarily has like digital products that you could recommend, and when you get someone to buy a digital product, then you also get paid a commission. Now with ClickBank, they pay out slightly bigger commissions because it's digital products. There's less cost to of course of course provide them. But yeah, that's pretty much what affiliate marketing is in a nutshell. You are just helping other businesses sell their products and get a commission right there. So I believe I believe affiliate marketing is easily one of the best ways of really building a business online, especially if you are someone who is completely brand new and you have no experience, running an online business, and you want to actually be your own boss. I believe affiliate marketing is really the simplest way of really starting an online business. And unfortunately, the reality is that while it is a rather simple business model, most people who get into affiliate marketing, they never succeed long term. They never get the long term results, and it is kind of unfortunate. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, you have to understand that affiliate marketing, just like any other business, it is a real business. It requires an investment of time and money, and you have to have a long-term mindset. If you're not willing to have a long-term mindset, if you're not willing to fully commit to something long-term, then it's going to be very difficult for you to actually get long-term results. So if you want long-term results, the action that you're putting in, it has to, of course, it has to be long-term. If you're not working on it daily, if you're not willing to actually invest in yourself, then it's going to be very difficult for you to actually succeed with affiliate marketing. So that's the number one thing that I want to mention, is that if you want to actually do affiliate marketing, the number one thing that I want to ask is are you actually serious about doing affiliate marketing long term? Is this something that you truly want to do long term? Can you see yourself doing affiliate marketing the next year, the next 2 years, the next 5 years? Most people, unfortunately, they get into this for the wrong reason. They think that, okay, if I join this affiliate program, if I find this product, if I get someone to my link, then it's going to be a very quick way to make fast money. So a lot of people, they come in with that mindset, and I'd say this is primarily one of the biggest reasons why most people fail online. I mean, think about it. We live in a world today where people, they live for things that provide them instant gratification. I mean, right now you're watching this video on a device that can do so many other things. You could be playing video games right now. You could be watching cat videos online. You could be binge watching your favorite TV show, or like listening to music or something like that. All these things are things that they provide instant gratification, whereas something like this, there's no, it's not necessarily like the most entertaining thing, and it requires actual work in order to actually get results with this type of business model. So a lot of these same people that have this this mindset of they're constantly focusing on things that they provide them with instant comfort. When it comes to something with like affiliate marketing, they don't realize that this is an actual business and it requires a long-term mindset. So that's really the thing that I wanted to just mention right off the bat. If you want to actually do this long-term, you have to have a long-term mindset. You got to be willing to actually stick with this long-term. So that's really the first thing that I want to mention. Next thing is that in order to actually succeed with affiliate marketing, the quickest way possible, the best thing that you could do is to invest in your skill sets. I highly recommend investing into some sort of mentorship program where you're learning, like a step-by-step process from someone who ideally has the results that you're looking for. And now, yes, you can, go on YouTube. You could find tons of videos that will show you, okay, here's how to promote this offer on ClickBank. Here's how to make $100 a day on JVZoo. Here's how to drive traffic. There's all these different types of videos that you could watch from, a whole bunch of different people, probably thousands of people at this point that are, teaching this stuff. But however, the problem is that if you're constantly consuming, a bunch of different videos, a bunch of different random videos from different people, a little bit of information over here, a little bit over here, you're watching one video from this guru, you're watching one video from the next, the next guy. What tends to happen is, your mind gets overwhelmed. And when your mind gets overwhelmed, you don't really take any action. You're not exactly sure where to start. And a lot of this information that you are consuming is likely, contradicting to each other. So like if you're, watching, one video from, one guru and they're saying, okay, ClickBank is the best, affiliate marketplace to start, and then you watch one other video. Here's why ClickBank sucks. Don't market ClickBank products because you're not going to make that much money, and you want to, do this instead. And then you watch one other video and you say, okay, ignore what that guy says. Here's the best way to do affiliate marketing. I mean, there's so many different videos out there that teach different ways of how to do affiliate marketing, and the reality is that there are 1,000 ways to do affiliate marketing. I mean, have you ever heard the phrase, there's 1,000 ways to skin a cat? Well, the same goes with affiliate marketing. There's plenty of different ways that you could do it, and really, the best way to actually start is to getting into some sort of mentorship program where you're learning step by step. Here's step one, here's step two, and really, affiliate marketing at the end of the day is really all it is you have a product that you're, of course, you want to recommend, and ideally I recommend finding some sort of like high ticket product that you of course believe in, something that you ideally have used yourself. I always recommend that you are a product of the product, that you actually buy it, you use it yourself, and you want to promote with moral authority. You don't want to just pick a random offer on ClickBank and just send a bunch of traffic and just hope that you make money very quickly. That's the quickest way to waste time and money, by just sending a bunch of traffic to an affiliate link. What you want to do is you want to find something that you ideally believe in, and then you want to focus on, okay, how exactly should I go about getting quality traffic to this offer that I'm promoting? So that's really what it all comes down to. Is you got to have the best way of really going about this is getting into some sort of training that will show you step by step, okay, here's how to do affiliate marketing. And once you actually decide, okay, what it is that you want to promote, once you have an offer, once you have your sales funnel built up, which a sales funnel is pretty much like, it's like a website, but it takes your customers through a very specific, process. Once you have all that set up, then your main focus should just be, okay, how exactly do I go about getting traffic, quality traffic, to this offer that I'm promoting? So there's a ton of different ways that you could, of course, go about it. I believe one of the best ways is actually by creating content. So you could either, you could set up a website, like a blog. You could set up a YouTube channel, and you could put up, lots of, videos online in your particular niche that you're going into. You could set up a Facebook fan page. You can connect with people one-on-one on Facebook. There's a ton of different ways that you could, of course, go about it. But what I highly recommend is that you start with one of the, the big social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, any of those platforms, and you want to focus on building up a following of people that actually know, like, and trust you. And the best way of doing this is really by providing quality content. Now, alternatively, you can go with the paid traffic route. You could set up an ad, you could send it, to your through your sales funnel, and you could provide something, like a free training or like a free resource that people can get, and you could, of course, build trust with them that way. But I believe the best way of really building trust with your audience is by providing value. What you want to do is you want to be providing lots of value on a consistent basis to your audience before you actually ask for the sale. So the problem with a lot of people is that they pick an offer on ClickBank or one of these big affiliate marketplaces, and then they decide, okay, I'm just going to send a bunch of traffic to this link and then hope that they buy it right away. And what tends to happen is that, because a lot of these people, if they, go straight to an affiliate link, because they don't exactly know who you are, it's very difficult for them to actually, be comfortable actually buying from you. So people need to actually know, like, and trust you in order to buy the products that you're recommending. If they don't actually know who you are, if they don't fully trust you, then they're not going to buy the product that you're recommending. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. But that's really what affiliate marketing, that's really what it all comes down to, is you first and foremost got to be willing to invest in your in your skill sets. You got to have the right mindset, a long-term mindset, and you also got to be willing to actually fully commit to one strategy that will help you actually promote the offer that you're of course recommending. So that's really what it all comes down to. I hope you found this helpful. And if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing, if you want more of a step-by-step approach to do affiliate marketing, because I mean, here's the reality. I cannot, go over everything in this one particular video, because this video would of course, get dragged out. But if you want to actually learn how to do this stuff step by step, and you want more of a step-by-step approach on how to actually build up an affiliate marketing business properly, then my number one link down below this video, that's the very first link, will give you access to a free training that will go much more into depth about how to do affiliate marketing. So that's you could check that out there. You could of course learn from my exact same mentor. But if you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate if you gave this a thumbs up, and also let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Did you find value in this video? Let me know in the comments if you of course found it helpful. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.